Castro, pass to Baguio. Baguio, didiskarte. Baguio, sasagasa, pass to Castro. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 28. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. No good. Another bonus with the shotgun jersey, number 14, Castro. Yes, sir. Doesn't cut the jersey number 14. The jersey number 19, Salvador. Salvador, pass to Bautista. Bautista for 3. No good. Rebound by Baguio. Baguio to Castro. Castro. Ganda naman yun. Doesn't cut the jersey number 20, Castro. Paragas. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by jersey number 14, Castro. That's the second personal foul, first team foul. Next game, get ready. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. De La Cruz, Pilasa. Nakuha na naman ni Castro. Castro, inulit na naman. Nakuha na naman. Nakakuha ng foul. Foul by number 28. That's your second personal foul. Second. Sabat. Kaya tawagin niyo na po yung kasabi niyo. This game is brought to you by Albert Pamintuan. Jersey number 0, pass to number 14, Paragas. Paragas. Nasundot pa, nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 14. Sabret. Castro out. Jersey number 16, Despo in. Jersey number 14, that's your third personal foul. Bautista, Sumagasa, Never, rebound, nakuha na naman ni Baguio. Baguio. Galing by jersey number 20, Baguio. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz, Never, rebound din pa. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 0. That's the second personal foul, third team foul. Pass it card to jersey number 2, Aquino. Another bonus with the shot to jersey number 2. Never with up by 0-0. Nagagawan, Aquino, yes sir! 25 down to 48. Bautista, Sumagasa, Bautista, yes sir! Ang bumarga, giba kay Bautista. Baguio, susubukan si Bautista. Baguio, Sumagasa, nakakuha pa ng foul. Number 14. Timeout! Signature for King Powerhouse. This game is brought to you by Up 0-0 Baguio.
Third game kami? Ay, third game. Una na ba yan?
Negative. Nagagawa ng bola. Nakuha na naman ng Tipera. Tipera na naman. Nagmamadali. Galing by Despo. To Season. Season, pinomba. Turnaround shot. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 2, Aquino. That's a second personal foul. Running for a penalty.
Bala. Puro bala oh.
Bonus with the shot to jersey number 24. Yes, sir. Pass it down to jersey number 24.
Napasama ng bayar natin.
Sen?
Kung may meeting ka muna, doon. Wala, susunod na yun.
No good. Rebound by De La Cruz.
KPI.
De La Cruz. Pinasa kay Pacquiao. Pacquiao. Gana Petipera. Fade away shot. Here comes Binomba. Yes, sir. Pass it down to jersey number 1. Antigan. Number 24, Season. Season to Tipera. Tipera. Binomba. Tipera. Black shot. To Despro. To Season. Out of bounds. Phoenix ball.
Nagkalamira natin.
6 points lead by Powerhouse.
Makatabara kayo ba? Big shot.
Next game, get ready, Edna Construction and Onson. Bison to Pacquiao. Pacquiao, down to Paragas. Pacquiao. Yes, sir. Pass it down to jersey number 00. Pacquiao. Paragas. Apat na lang po ang kalamangan. Yes, sir. Pass it down to jersey number 13. Paragas. Balik na naman sa 6 ang kalamangan. Best for 3. Negative. Ito na naman kay Bauer.
Ayun, Pirates.
Tempera to Paragas. Paragas.
Pirates, diba? Sige, pirata.
Paragas. Isko na naman ni Despo. Despo, paso Dizon. Dizon. Negative. Stepping the line. Powerhouse ball. Number 23, Paragas. Time remaining 6 minutes and 28 seconds.
Dikit na naman to.
Paragas. Paso de Pera. To Season. Season. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number.
Pinsave,
Offensive foul. Jersey number 24. Season.
Okay lang oh.
That's your third personal foul. Warning for graduation. Pacquiao. Running by Paragas. Nakuha naman. Kick ball. Sabret. Time remaining 6 minutes and 7 seconds. 60 down to 54. Paragas back to number 23. Paragas sumagasa. Nakuha na naman ni Despo ang bola. Season. Nagpapagaling. Season. Nakuha na naman ni Season ang bola. Season. Out of ball. Sego. Season. Nakakuha pa ng ball. Ball by jersey number 7. Sabret. Number 21 out. Jersey number 7, that's your first personal foul. Pass it down to jersey number 21. Another bonus with the shot to jersey number 21. Bison. Nag-ripo na naman ang bola. Nag-aagawan. Nakuha na naman yung jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Nakuha na naman ang bola. Pacquiao by 3. Never. The jersey number 0. Season. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 16. Despo. Despo. Graduation night. Sabit. With the ball game, Butera to Paragas. Paragas. Hinahanap ang kasama. Paso de Vera. Del Cara na bitawan. Nakuha na naman ni Bagyo ang bola. Bagyo. Turn around. Ganda na naman Bagyo. Ano ball?
Sa mga nagtanggap
Powerhouse ball. Time remaining 5 minutes and 18 seconds. 60 down to 55.
ay, di mo na.
Lima ang kalamangan ng Sitio Bukid Powerhouse. Season, nakakuha na naman ng foul. Foul by number 1, De La Cruz.
Dito, Mando.
Jersey number 1. That's your first personal foul. Foul. Our fouls. Season. Pinasa na naman. Nagkakaw ng bola. Jersey number 3. Never bumitaw na naman. Our foul. Phoenix ball. Bagyo. Tualasa. Back to Bagyo. Bagyo ang didiskarte. Papawi para sa Phoenix. Bagyo. Bagyo sa Malasa. Yes, sir! Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan. Season. Season. Ano ba? Phoenix ball. Time out. Sitio Bukid 7. Time remaining 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan. Bagyo. Bagyo. Idiskarte. Bagyo. Pinasa Dali. Diesel to Castro. 10 seconds to shoot. Bagyo. 5 seconds to shoot. Never. Di pa naman kay Castro. Nakuha na naman. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by jersey number 7. De Vera. That's our second personal foul. 13 foul.
I-highlight mo.
Pinasa. Castro. Turn around shot. Nego. Rebound na naman kay jersey number 1. Diesel. Yes, sir! Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Paragas. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 10. Penalty shot. Two bonus penalty shot to jersey number 23, Paragas. Reba na naman yung season. Yes, sir! Back-to-back easy points to jersey number 24. Alasa to Castro. Castro for 2. Bang! Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan. Paragas. Bang! Basket count to jersey number 23. May kasama pang foul. Foul by number 20, Castro. Time up. Sitio by 5 picks. Down to 61 in favor of Beauty. One bonus finish shot to jersey number 23, Paragas.
Hindi na nagkaraman eh.
Say,
Marami nang nagkaraman.
para tanay.
Pass a chance to jersey number 23, Paragas.
Kaya ko, Judge. May day.
Bagyo, didiskarte. Bagyo, with the ball. Pinasa na naman. For 2. Nugod. Ripa na naman ng Paragas. Good ball. Phoenix ball. 6 down to 61. De La Cruz. Pass to Castro. Castro. To Dizon. Back to Baguio. Baguio for three. Never. Rebound by Parragas. Pinasa na lang kay Jesse number 14 Parragas. Parragas sa mapadali. Parragas sa kawala. Never. Tempera. Wala pa rin Tempera to number 24. Yes, sir! Pass it down to Jesse number 24. Season. Baguio. Yes, sir. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 24. Season. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 00. Baguio. Sabret. Jersey number 00. That's your fourth personal foul. Running for graduation. Penalty shot. Both teams are in penalty situation. Pass it down to jersey number 14, Parragas. Another corner, a penalty shot to jersey number 14. Yes, sir. Pass to Baguio. Baguio. Baguio for three. Never. Rebound by the back. Last minutes. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number. Jersey number. Jersey number 21. Diesel. That's your second personal foul. Penalty shot. 2 bonus penalty shot to jersey number 7, Tempera. Time remaining exactly 2 minutes. Yes, sir. Pass it down to jersey number 7. Pass to Baguio. Baguio. Moving along, Baguio. Castro back to Baguio. Baguio for three. Never. Out of bounds. Phoenix ball. Official score 72 down to 63 in favor of Sitio Burkina Powerhouse. Time remaining 1 minute and 46 seconds to end the fourth period. Pisa. Napitawan na bola. Time remaining 1 minute and 42 seconds. Parragas to Tempera. No good with number Castro. Castro to Baguio. Pinasa na naman kay Despo. To Castro. Castro to Dizon. To Alasa to Sur. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 14, Parragas. Jersey number 14, that's your third personal foul. Another bonus penalty shot to jersey number 11, Alasa. Out of bounds. Same ball. Sabit. Jersey number 13, Castro in. Time remaining 1 minute and 17 seconds. Diesel to Alasa. Nakuha, steal by Parragas. Pass position to Bautista. Yes, sir. 74 down to 63. Alasa. Never with a by Tempera. 55 seconds to end the third period. Parragas for two. Mogo. Rebound by Depera. Depera. Nakakuha pa ng foul. Foul by number 11, Alasa.
Ang tayo magsigat.
Penalty shot. Time remaining 36.72 seconds to end the fourth period. And that score is brought to you by Open Paminturo. Another bonus penalty shot to jersey number 7, Pipella. Mogo, menerima naman ang Pipella. Pipella naman. Nakuha ni Castro. Pinasa naman kay jersey number 7. Castro naman. Seconds to end the fourth period. Nakuha pa ng ball. Foul by jersey number 11, Alasa.
Stephen Curry.
The fourth period. Penalty shot to jersey number 23, Carregas. Mayroon palang lulupang ang kapataan. Jersey number 13, Castro. Pass it down to jersey number 23. 5 minutes.
Nice pala!
Mr. Yonta! Isa naman, Mr. Yonta! And that goes the end of the fourth period. The Future score 76 down to 63. Winner, Future will keep